Hey y'all, thank you for joining. Hey y'all, thanks for coming back, and thank you for tuning in because you guys already know I really do appreciate all of your love and support. So while you're here, make sure you like this video as well as subscribe, because if you're not, I don't really know what you're doing. I just don't know what you're doing with your life, but we're gonna fix it right here because you're gonna subscribe. This video is going to be all about lashes, but not just any old lash. Not just the regular schmegula-degula gas station lashes that you guys buy when you're in a hurry or a rush. We're not talking about those. I'm talking about Lashkandii. I love these lashes, and I'm so glad that I was able to be chosen to be on the list for the PR box because I love lashes. So I'm going to open it with you guys. I did sort of cheat because I did open it just so then I can wear the lashes for the video because I just love them so very much. And I'm going to tell you why I love these lashes as well as you guys watching me open it. So Lashkandii, I freaking love, number one, because the lashes last a long time. You guys ever had lashes where like you take the glue off and then all the lashes just magically leave the band and you're just looking bald-eyed and you're just like, wow, I have to be at the club at 12:30. I'm already late because I don't have any lashes. And now you have to go to your local Walgreens or CVS, Rite Aid, or your gas station if they sell lashes. And then you have to get something that you don't even like, or just wear mascara, which is nothing wrong with that. But my lash girls know mascara doesn't always do the trick. But Lashkandii got you. Also, another reason why I love Lashkandii is because they're affordable. Affordable. What other lash brands do you know where you can get lashes for as low as $8? I don't know. And they're good quality, meaning you can wear them over and over again. My girls who love hair glue, like myself as lash glue, please. Now, I'm gonna just say this part. I know that some of you guys say lash glue or hair glue is not lash glue, but baby, it works. So, yeah, that's why I love it. But it can withstand hair glue and it still works. I love these lashes. They literally can survive through anything. You can go swimming. Look, if a guy wants to take you swimming at the beach or at his mansion with his pool or whatever, you can go swimming, girl, because these lashes are going to stay on and they're going to look flawless. And they're nice, they're fluffy. They have styles for everyone. I know for myself, I love some bloom in my lashes, and sometimes you need to switch it up. Sometimes when I'm going to a job interview, I'm going to wear my very natural lash where it looks literally not too much. Looks like I woke up like this, which most of the times I do. But you're going to get your life when you get these lashes. I promise you. So right now, I'm wearing StarStruck right now on my lashes. Pose. I love StarStruck is definitely one of my favorite lashes because it gives the flirty look, which is basically like, I have lashes on, yes, you know, but it's not too much like spiders running on my face. So that's why I like these, and they're very versatile. So I can wear them if I'm going to a cookout, or if I'm going to the beach, or a mansion pool. I mean, anything. They're very versatile. Okay, guys. So right now I have on StarStruck, which is one of my favorite lashes ever from this company because it's so versatile and it still gives that look of like, I'm here. That's what I love. You can wear these lashes anywhere, ladies. You can wear these to the grocery store. You can wear them to get your prescription, go to the weed shop, go to a mansion and they have a pool and you can go swimming. anything and everywhere you can wear these to, I promise you. And it's not gonna be too much, but it's still gonna get the job done and still give the message that it needs to be told. So something else I love about this company is the new packaging that they have. It's so easy. Now, for all of my lash wearers, it's very important that we store our lashes in safe keepings, okay? Because you don't want bacteria from your bathroom. So when you're taking your lashes off, and let's say you put them in your bathroom, when you use the bathroom, like, and you don't keep your toilet seat down or whatever, like, all the creepy crawlies and bacteria comes in the air and then can get on your lashes, and then it goes very extreme, and then you can lose your eyeballs. So in order to keep your eyeballs, you need to make sure the packaging is, the lashes are in safekeeping. So that's why I love this, and it's so easy. Like, oh my gosh, it doesn't feel like it's a lot of work to take out. You wouldn't even break your nail if you are blessed to even still get your nails done, because the nail shops are mainly closed in LA. But if you're able to get your nails done and your acrylics, you don't even have to worry about even breaking a nail trying to open the packaging, because it slides like this. Slide. And it's not even like a hard tug either. And I love that about this. That's what I love that. Because it's so easy. Even if you had too many margaritas, it don't take nothing to just open it, put the lashes in, and go about your business. Also, so these are MoneyBag. I'll put a picture here so you can really see MoneyBag. MoneyBag I love, because simply for the fact that it gives that look of like, I'm here. And on top of it, I love to wear it. I think it's a nighttime lash for sure. But I know all my girls and gals who love to wear lashes, the nighttime lash for the daytime. I mean, you can wear that too if that's what you like to do. But for myself, I like to keep it subtle, like kind of natural, but you still know I have on lashes during the day. And then at night, I like to kind of step it up a notch, but not too much to where it looks like I got like spiders and I can't see, and then one of the lashes is poking in my eye. Ladies, I think some of you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I don't like this one. Now this, I don't like that. But so the difference with the MoneyBag lashes from this, also the packaging is different. So it isn't the really easy, like I have too many margaritas and I need to put my lashes up type of package. It's but I do like it because it's like a compact mirror. So when you open it, it's super easy to open. It's like a mirror, the compact mirror that you would take when you go into the club or wherever you're going, and you know, have to touch it up. So that's what it kind of mirrors like to me. So that's why I love these. Also in my PR box are these. I love these sleeves. So these are, I'll take a picture as well too so you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but I'll take a picture so you can. These are essential to have, especially with your lashes, because you want to keep them, you still want to keep the curl in the lash and keep them clean too, especially like after you've washed them. If you do wash lashes, I know I don't. I don't even spend the time to wash lashes, and I should wash them because I guess you can wear them even more and more and more, but I just buy some more and I'll just buy more lashes. That's just what I do. I love fresh pairs of lashes too. But yeah, so you want to keep the curl. So after you've washed your lashes, if that's what you like to do, then make sure you take this spoolie here and then you just make sure that, you know, you brush them out so they can keep that curl. So I'm so glad I got these because your girl is going to make sure they're on fleek, and a little hat when you're doing your eyebrows. You can use these too. So, and I have a lot of them, so I might use like some for my eyebrows and then some for my lashes. So yeah, that's all that was in my PR box, guys, as well as, let's see, oh, I got a thanks for shopping, which I'm excited about. I also had an envelope in here, but It's a message. I'll take a picture so you guys can see it as well better. It's a message from Lashkandii. Hello, gorgeous. Oh, girl, you talking to me? It says, welcome to the Lashkandii family. Inside you'll find luxurious sets of lashes tailored to your needs and preferences. Whether you're headed to work, brunch class, or a night out, we ensure you will not be disappointed with the versatility of our high-quality, long-lasting lashes. I would personally like to say we welcome you to the team and can't wait to see the beautiful looks you create. Enjoy. From the CEO. The CEO gave me this. So I'm really excited. I love these lashes. Like I said, guys, make sure, I'm going to put the link below and the name of the lashes that I said in the video. So then you guys can purchase them too. And you guys can look gorgeous and flawless throughout your cities. So also comment below what is your favorite lash from the company, as well as what do you look for in lashes? And before we also go, I also want to know, answer this in the comments too. Because for me, I have to always put on my right lash first before my left eye. If I do it like the left before the right, it's always messed up. The corners aren't sticking, none of that. So let me know down below which way do you guys do your lashes? Or does it even matter to you? Like, can you just do whichever one first or last? So let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video since you're literally already here. So don't forget to like as well as subscribe because you're already here. So go ahead and take that mouse and click to the right and press subscribe. Thank you guys for watching so much. I appreciate you guys. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @I am_Sanaa_. That's SANA. And on Twitter at @I am_Sanaa. So thank you guys.